Hi, this is Teacher Jen of Camglish.com, and welcome again to a new lesson on essential English patterns. Today we will discuss a new pattern, and it's the pattern how do I get to? How do I get to? How do I get to? In this pattern, you're asking for directions or instructions on how to get to somewhere you want to go. So it's very easy to understand. When you use this pattern, you are asking for directions to somewhere you want to go. Of course, you will mention on your question what or where is the place you want to go. Okay, so now let's start discussing the sample sentences so that you can understand it better. Let's start with number 1. How do I get to the post office? How do I get to the post office? Here, you're asking for directions on how to go to the post office. Of course, you're asking because you don't know how to. Number 2. How do I get to the mall? How do I get to the mall? Here, you're asking directions on how to get to the mall. Number 3. How do I get to Stacy's house? How do I get to Stacy's house? You're asking for directions on how to go to Stacy's house. Number 4. How do I get to the party? How do I get to the party? Here, you are asking directions on how to go to the party or where is the party. And number 5, how do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport? Here, you're asking for directions on how to get to the airport. So now it's our turn to make our own sentences. So it's my turn first. My sentence is, how do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station? So in my question, I am asking you directions or instructions on how to go or how to get to the train station. So now it's your turn. What is your sentence? Very good. Now let's have a review and read the sentences once more. Please repeat after me. How do I get to the post office? How do I get to the post office? How do I get to the mall? How do I get to the mall? How do I get to Stacy's house? How do I get to Stacy's house? How do I get to the party? How do I get to the party? How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport? Very good. Now, let's go into the dialogue part. And here, for dialogue number 1, I will be speaker A and you will be speaker B. For dialogue number 2, you will be A and I will be B. Let's start with number 1. Will you take me to Jacob's house? It's easy. I'll give you your directions in the car. Number 2. It is on the 2nd floor. Take the stairs and go right. No problem. They are having a sale today, so you should find a bargain. Very good. Now we have a word here. The word bargain. When you say bargain, it means a good buy, a good deal, okay? Or an item or product that is discounted, so you can save money. So it's very easy to understand our pattern. Now let's go back to our pattern, and I want you to review this together with the sample sentences. So you can also memorize all the sample sentences here because they might come in handy when you are expressing yourself in English. Also, don't forget to make your own sentences as well so that you can practice using the English language. Now again, please review this pattern together with the sample sentences and don't forget to make your own sentences. Now, this is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned something. This is Teacher Jen from Camlish.com saying goodbye and see you on our next video. Goodbye!